Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel mt4. In today's video we'll be looking at how to close a trade on MetaTrader 4 mt4, and we'll be looking at the mobile version and also the desktop version. And please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. How to close a trade on mt4. If you want to close a trade on mt4, now we have a trade running on Euro USD 1 hour time frame, and on the left hand side you see 2.50 lot size running. So if you want to close this trade, we'll click on trade at the bottom of the screen there, then we get to this screen. You see Euro USD 2.50 close, click on it, then you see close, click on close, then you see, then we'll close with lots. Let's just click on it. So that is how to close a trade on mt4. Now let's look at the desktop version. Alright, this is the desktop version. If you want to close a trade on the trade on this place, right click, then we'll see close, we click on it, then, or we can just go to the trade position under, then you just click on trade, then we exit from that place there. Now we don't have any trade running, so that is how to close a trade on mt4.